Hi, I'm Merle from Bentham. I'm from Holland. This is my bike check, the Carbon Redline bike. I have pro handlebars, a pro stem, 11 forks, Tioga tires, the Shimano DXR cranks. I have a pro seat, the Shimano brakes, and the Sunringley hubs. I'm riding a 4416 with 175 cranks with Shimano pedals. Not to forget my pink brake cable, because it's like all the bikes are all the same and I wanted to do something different, and I like pink because it's like men's sport, and to bring some more girly things into it I choose pink. My career number is 75 because I won my first Challenge World title with 75, and that's why.